Hi friends, let me show you this new weekly pills organizer that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it has this vase that you can put in any metal surface. It has these magnets, okay? And you get 3 different pill times per day: morning, midday, and night. Okay, so you put them together, however you want, however you like, and it's so easy to use it because you can take your day pills with you if you are going out or to your job, and when you come back home, you just do that, okay? So let's try it. As you can see, you can put your pills organizer in any metal surface, and you can have your pills really available, handy when you need them, okay? So 3 pills a day, 3 pill times a day, 7 days in individually daily packages. Really nice and really convenient. Thank you.